Let it out. Let it out. Let it out more. So, pollen and crap.
It's ball.
Just keep on letting it out.
Oh, gee. Away from Kelly. Booger. Booger. Now.
Just let it out more.
Honey, it's 1:18.
Yeah.
I gotta see my hand now. Can I?
Yes.
I love my husband.
More.
When? When should I do my